Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about pivot tables again, and I want to look, in this case I want to sort the data actually, but there is no chance for me. I can only sort it here, but here not. But I want to find out which products are the best selling. How do I do that? Well, there is a trick or a way how to do that. We will use the large function. So I look for the array, and then I need the highest. I need to fix the range, and then drop down the rest. These are just numbers, but I also need to know the top selling category. How do I do that? Well, there are many ways to do that. I can retrieve it from this database, but in here I will show how to work with Vlookup. For that one I need to have the data here, because the first column I will look is the column B I will look for. So I will need to have the data on my right. This can be done also with the help of index match function, which I'm not going to present in this video, but then you don't need to have this extra column. Or because I have a earlier version of Excel, in later versions of Excel you can use the Vlookup function, which can be very helpful for you. So Vlookup is just, I'm looking for this value. I need to give the range where I am looking for this value here, but I don't want to get back the sum of turnover. I want to get back the row level or the category. So I need, this is 1, 2, 3, so the indexing starts from 1, not 0. So this is the third column, and the range lookup is false or 0, so exact match, and that is exactly the date. The date has the highest sales. Then comes kiwi, green apple, grapes, and hummus. I hope you liked my video. I will get back to you soon. Thank you for your attention. Bye.